తొక్కురా
Shall go to my country, to my family, and take a wife for my son Isaac.
ఇటు తిప్పు
Perhaps the woman will not be willing to follow me to this land. Must I take Isaac back to the land from which you
ఇటు తిప్పు
came?
ఇటు తిప్పు స్ట్రైట్ తిప్పు
Be careful never to take my son back there.
ఇప్పుడు తొక్కు
God in heaven
తొక్కు
took
తొక్కు
me
నానా
from my father's house and my native land, solemnly promised to give this land to my descendants. He will send
Arre.
his angel ahead of you, and he will see to it that you find a wife there for my son.
సూపర్ రా అరే
And if this woman is not willing to follow you, then you will be released from this oath. Only do not take my son back there.
Did you
Go.
Isaac doesn't get to pick up
Very
his
good.
wife.
I think maybe that's their custom, Chris.
All right, guys.
తొక్కని వాడిని తొక్కని అదా మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి తిరుగు
Really far away?
Kids, how far is Abraham's homeland?
According to my database,
Abraham has to run in this cave.
నా తొక్కురా తొక్కు
600 miles.
ఆ,
That was a soccer championship match. We drove 600 miles in one day.
by car. Alligators going by camel. Do that.
తొక్కు
Ooh, I like that.
వెరీ
A
గుడ్
fully packed camel can cover at least 20 miles.
జాగ్రత్త
making the
తొక్కు
travel from Haran to Haran in approximately 30 days.
అరే
30 days?
సూపర్ రా
What's wrong with looking for a wife a little closer to home?
అరే
Let's see now. Hey, what about her, for example? She could be perfect.
వెరీ గుడ్
Yeah.
వాడికి తెలిసిపోయింది ఎట్లా తొక్కాలో వెనక్కి తిప్పి తొక్కు నాన్న గో వెరీ గుడ్